Hello children, welcome back to another exciting session with Risha ma'am. In today's class, I'm going to tell you how to blend two sounds together. So the first thing what you have to learn is to learn the phonic sounds of all the alphabet. Okay, so here I have the 26 alphabet cards and let us quickly go through the sounds of each and every single letter. Just listen to me. A, B, B, K, K. D, D, E, E, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, O, P, P, Qua, Qua, R, S, T, T, V, V, W, X, X, Y, Y. After this is over, now it's time to learn the blending of two letters together. So here we have a short vowel blending chart. Can anyone tell me what are the 5 vowels we have in the English alphabet, children? A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels of English alphabet. The rest of the letters apart from this A, E, I, O, U are called the consonants. For parents to teach their kids blending, this is the best way to prepare a short vowels blending chart and then get them familiar with the two sounds together first as soon as you finish the letter sounds. Now let's look at the short A vowel blending sounds from A to Z. Come on children, everybody listen to me keenly. B, A, ba, ba, p, A, ba, t, A, da, f, A, fa, g, A, ga, h, A, ha, j, A, ja, k, A, ka, l, A, la, A, ma, A, na, p, A, pa, qua, A, qua. You have to read it like this. Ba, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, qua. Turn about. Ra, sa, ta, va, wa, ya, za. Alright children. Now let's learn the blending for letter E. Letter E short vowel blends. B, de, fe, ge, he, je, ke, le, me, ne, pe, que, re, se, te, ve, we, e, ze. If your child is able to blend two letters together, it will be even more easy for them to form words. For example, when they know this is re, and when you add d at the end, it becomes red. Set, set, te, d, ted. Like this, it is very easy for them to form letters once they learn two-letter blending before they get into the CVC words. Now let's look at the short vowels I blendings. What is the sound of letter I, children? E. As in B, bin, din, fit. Let's learn to blend these two short vowel sounds together. B, D, fi, gi, hi, ji, ki, li, mi, ni, pi, qui. As in quick. Re, si, ti, vi, we, ye, z. So this is the best way for kids to get them learning any big words going forward, because now that they know how to blend two sounds together. Now let's look at the vowel sound O. O says A, as in oil. B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, Y, Z. Now the last vowel blending sound for letter U. U says A, as in umbrella. B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, Y, Z. So you have to get your kids learn to blend the two-letter sounds first before getting into the CVC words, so that they will be able to learn words more quickly. So I'll show you one example why blending is important for kids, okay? So for a child to read these type of words, today I'm going to show you how the blending will help kids learn to read these words without any confusion and very easily. Now here we have some examples of the blends which we have learned just before. So for example, look at this word, children. If you have not learnt the two-letter blending, how the child would have read this word at. Everybody can read this because they already know the independent sounds of the letters. But they cannot blend it and read it together like rat. This is the most important complaint we keep hearing from all the children. They can read it like n, but they cannot blend it and read together as den. So this problem can be eliminated if you teach them the blendings first, two-letter blendings first. For example, now that they have learnt blending the short vowel sounds, they know that this is rat, rat, van, van, fab, fab. This is how we have to teach blending to get kids learn to read short words. Den, den, met, met, ten, ten, bit, bit, fig, fig, tin, tin, dot, dot, now, now, ton, ton, gun, gun, nut, nut, sun, sun. This is how kids will learn to blend three-letter words easily when they know the two-letter blends first, and that to the short vowel blends. So hope you have really enjoyed learning blending with me today. I'll see you again in the next video, children. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. For those who are interested in enrolling to our online phonics classes, we have given the details here on the screen below. Get in touch with us. See you again in the next video, children. Till then, take care. Bye.